I'm James Neville Taylor with the Builderall team. In this video, we're going to go over connecting your chatbot to the webinar platform and adding ghost users. So first off, let's go over connecting your chatbot to the webinar. So to connect your chatbot, you need to click on Save History. And once you click on Save History, you're going to be able to see the integration button appear. And then you simply click on integration and then choose where you want it to be sent to. So you can choose to send it to email every so many minutes, or you can send it to Facebook. And you need an integration key to be able to send it to Facebook. So we're going to go over to the chatbot. We're going to scroll down to integration and then create a new integration. We're going to select webinar, then we select our page and click submit. Then that's going to create a new integration, and we just grab this integration key here, come back to the webinar, paste the integration key in and click save. And now whenever someone leaves a message on the webinar, it's going to send that message to you from the Facebook page. So I'll show you an example of one I did earlier. So we're on one of my Facebook pages now, and the messages are sent in real time. So as soon as someone comments on the webinar, the message is automatically sent to Facebook. So this is really good if you want to keep an eye on questions that people are asking and answer them in real time. So here you can see first the user's name appears, then the name of the webinar, and then the message that they left on the webinar. So it's very useful when you want to respond to people quickly when they're leaving messages on your pre-recorded webinar. So next we're going to add some ghost users. And if you don't know what ghost users are, they're basically phantom users that you can add to make it look like there's people asking questions, and you can curate your webinar around those ghost users to make it look like it's a live webinar when it actually isn't. So to add ghost users, we come into edit, and then we can put the exact second, minute and hour for our comment to be left. So we can choose for it to be left exactly 1 minute in by the username James saying, "Hello, I am from the UK." So you can add that, and you can add many more. So for example, if you had 45 seconds in to your webinar asking where people are from, then you could put 5 or 10 ghost messages popping in for the next 15-30 seconds, making it look like it's a live webinar and there's lots of live attendees. So you can simply add a couple of second difference in between each one, and it gives the appearance that there's lots of people watching and lots of people engaging. And then when you're happy with the ghost users, click save, and then every time that webinar plays, the ghost users will pop up exactly how you scheduled them. So in this video, we went over connecting your chatbot to the webinar platform and adding ghost users.